Right, hello and welcome to the second chapter of Step 3. I'm Steve and I'm going to discuss another common topic in Ielts. Our topic for today will be about work and studies. The topic of work and studies often appears in the test, especially in Part 1. The most probable questions to be expected in this lesson will involve schools, subjects or majors, educational systems, as well as current or future jobs, the different responsibilities that entail a certain job, and work relationships. The topic has a broad scope and thus requires examinees to use a wide range of vocabulary to be precise with their ideas. In fact, vocabulary is important in all parts of Ielts. In this lesson, we'll discuss how to choose the high-level words that are appropriate to a topic. The first part of the speaking test is like a normal conversation between two people, and it's much expected to use less formal words. Overly using formal words or phrases such as functional language gives the examiner the impression that you're not familiar with how most native speakers talk. Although the criteria Lexical Resource includes the usage of difficult or uncommon words, it's not the only requirement that's checked to get a high score. Lexical Resource includes the flexibility and range of your vocabulary, awareness of collocation, and the usage of paraphrasing. It means that aside from the big words, you have to use a rich vocabulary in expressing one thing in many ways. There is no problem in using low-level words, but if you're aiming for a higher score, it's recommended to use more interesting or impressive vocabulary. Here are some examples. The accuracy of the words you're using when you answer is important, so use only the words you're sure of, or when you know the part of speech it belongs to, its meaning, synonyms and antonyms. It's also recommended to study words related to each topic ahead of time to increase your lexical resource. Let's now look at some questions about work and studies. This common question in Ielts is also asked in normal conversations, so it's likely you'll be able to answer this question well. Answering this question is an opportunity to show the range of your vocabulary. For example, if you're talking about your current major in school, try to use technical words related to it. However, remember to balance your technical terminologies with common words and be sure to use them accurately. This question is quite easy to answer, so elaborate your response by giving reasons and examples. Elaborating your answer will make it more interesting and will allow you to exhibit your vocabulary range. Use specific nouns and adjectives to talk about your favourite subject. Notice how low-level and high-level words affect an answer. The speaker in this sample answer used simple words which will not reward him a high score in lexical resource. Look at the next example. The content of this answer is the same with the first one, however, this sample answer used more accurate words. Therefore, your answer should consist of precisely used high and low-level vocabulary words. Learn as many words as you can during your preparation for Ielts so that you can use them accurately and with ease during the test. Work and studies are common topics in Ielts Part 1, and although most questions under this topic are easy, answers should be expanded in order to demonstrate your English vocabulary. That ends the first lesson of Chapter 2. I'll see you next time with another common topic in Ielts. Bye!